Today, we're going to bring an adjustable window AC vent kit, 5.1 inches. We're going to try to set it up where our actually existing Toshiba unit, air conditioning unit we have. In the past, I did modify mine. I had a current one and it just broke it couldn't handle the actual vents and it actually was rattling too much. So I ended up getting this one. And we're going to test it out and see what you get when you get something like this. So it's getting summer, it's getting hot, and we need to put the air conditioner in here so we can actually get reliable air in here because my head is sweating already just by talking about it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. There's one, and then you get the screws too. If you guys notice, everything's in here included. So they give you the instructions included how to set it up and how the vent goes, if you guys can see it. So if you notice, this thing relies on the actual system where it hooks up in here and rotates in there. Like I said, it's 5.1 inches. So we're gonna set it up, and let's go ahead and set one up, and I'm gonna show you guys where we're gonna put this in. All right, we're gonna need 46 inches of expanding because it stands up by 46 inches. So this is the bottom part, and this is where it actually meets the other units, and you have to meet them together. If you guys notice there, it's a rail system. So we're gonna set it up with 45 inches, and then we're gonna put it against the wall and see how reliable it is. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set this up here. If you guys can notice the rail system, it meets the rail, as you can see it. It meets it right there. But prior to that, we gotta make sure you set this up properly, which goes in here. You guys see that? Screw it in. Once you have it screwed in, then you can put in this system, goes in here. It meets this rail system. Go. Get it in there. We got one side in, and then we're going to drop this in the top. We could secure this by tying this up. Tie it up. You could tie it up more, and it won't move from there, right? But if you wanted to move it up and down, easy. Just very simple to glide in and out. Now, one thing that's not making it glide is because it comes with all this plastic. You got to remove the plastic, right? It's to keep it scratch proof. But this one's pretty good at. I didn't do that in the beginning. So here we have it. We expand it as much as we can, and we loosen up some of the rails. So I'm gonna set it up on the window, on the side of the window, and loosen it up some more, all the way to the bottom if you can, all the way to the top, and then all you gotta do is lock them in, and then just close the window, and you have it there. The air is gonna come in through here, and very simple, easy to set up. So we have the air coming in here. We have the system here. And then what we could do to put the double-sided tape here, the foam, we're gonna do that right now. So when it meets this, marries this, it's gonna completely close out. So we placed the double-sided foam on one side, if you guys see it. And then we also did it on this side too. So when they meet, it's completely sealed. Air won't. All right, so here's the air conditioner. I have it here. It's a little dusty right now. We're gonna turn it on today, but it's cold today. But the air suction goes out there, the exhaust, if you guys see it, nice and neat. There's no spacing, perfect for it. I got the exhaust there connected to my air conditioner here with no issues. So hope you guys enjoy the video.